Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you about Yazio. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if we talk about Yazio, it is a nutrition and calorie tracking app designed for people serious about managing their diet and reaching fitness goals. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or just improve your overall eating habits, Yazio claims to have you covered. The app offers personalized meal plans, a large food database, and macro tracking, which is great for anyone on specific diets like keto, low-carb, or high-protein. It also integrates well with fitness trackers like Fitbit and Apple Health, making it easy to sync your activity data for a more complete health picture. One of Yazio's standout features is its intuitive design. It's easy to log meals, and the barcode scanner saves time when tracking packaged foods. Plus, the app provides clear insights into your calorie intake, macros, and nutritional balance, so you always know if you're hitting your daily targets. For premium users, Yazio offers fasting plans, recipe collections, and detailed nutrition analyses. However, Yazio isn't perfect. While the food database is extensive, some users might find that it lacks accuracy in certain regions or with certain foods, leading to minor inconveniences if you have to input data manually. Also, the app's premium features, although useful, are behind a paywall that not everyone might want to commit to. In comparison to other nutrition tracking apps, Yazio is ideal for anyone looking for a user-friendly and comprehensive nutrition tracker. In conclusion, Yazio is ideal for anyone looking for a user-friendly and comprehensive nutrition tracker, especially if you're focused on customizing your diet and syncing your data with other health apps. However, if you're someone who relies heavily on a perfectly accurate food database or prefers an entirely free service, you might need to consider other options. So that's basically all about Yazio. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.